everybody, this is Diane with Craftin' with Fury, and I am here to do an unboxing for Scrappy Shack. And guys, anybody that loves, let me show you, 49 in Market is going to want this box. Let me just tell you. And this is a spoiler alert that if you don't want to know what products they put in these boxes, don't watch, just buy. And each box is different, okay? So it's basically a huge box. I mean, look how big this box is. A huge box with 49 in Market products. And each box is a little different. It's going to be a little different colors, a little bit, you know, different schemes, but basically the same products. So I thought that I would kind of just go ahead and be one of those spoilers and show you what's in these boxes. And what I'll do is I'll leave a link below to Scrappy Shack to where you can get one of these boxes. And you are going to be floored about how much is in here. So are you ready? Sookie's ready, aren't you, girly? So let's get in this box. Da, 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 ba, bum. Look at that beautifulness. And I'm talking beautifulness. Look at all of that stuff, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of bring you in closer, if I can. There we go. And I'm going to put this over here. And let's start with what's I got in here. Look at these beautiful flowers. Gorgeous. And looks like there are 3 of these rubber bands that you can put around journals, folios that you may make. So there is a gray one, a black one, and a white one. So yours may be different. And here is some wishing bubbles and baubles in coral. Look how gorgeous. Look at those. Love, love, love. And let's see what else we got in here. Some Tranquility chipboard word pieces and set. And it comes with all of these words. And as you can see, they're kind of all color coordinated. And here is a foundation pages. It's a do-it-yourself kit of mix and match pieces. And this one, use alone or add to a foundation album. So this one it includes a tri-fold folio, a double pocket folder. Ooh, 2 booklets. We may be having some fun with that later. And here is art options. I've not seen this before. A rouge card kit includes 8 8x2 cards and envelopes, 2 sheets of rub-on transfers, and 8 sticker seals. Oh, that would be perfect for Valentine's Day. Oh, that's beautiful. Or Mother's Day. Gorgeous. So there's that. And guys, we ain't even hit the iceberg yet with this. I want you to look. Oh, here's another. It's a 4x6 envelope folio set in white. You can see that it comes with magnets. Oh, how cute. And see, these two can even go together. We are not done. This is a Spectrum Gardenia spiral notebook set. Includes 1 6x8 1/4 printed book and 1 5 3/4 by 5 printed book. Look, that's what the pages look like. Oh my gosh. I mean, okay, and we are not done. Well, here is something that will match the Rouge card kit. Here is the Rouge cluster kit. Has 4 sheets of 6x12 laser cut elements, adhesive backed thin chipboard, twine, metal clips, 12 buttons, and elastic. Well, how cool is that? And it comes in, look at this. That's what it looks like. And it comes in this really neat envelope that will hold. So see, that goes together. And wait, there's more. Huh? And here is a color swatch toast rub-on transfer kit. Oh, these are my favorite colors too. Look at all these rub-ons. Butterflies, flowers, leaves, words. It's perfect for mixed media. But wait, there's more. Here is some Spectrum Sherbert tidal wave frame sets. And you got all of these. And honestly, you could put these in here and kind of make different pockets and cute. Guys, we're still going. Let's see here. And I think there's paper and stuff down here. And here are some Christmas Spectacular lace laser cuts. Whew, that's a word. Oh, those are pretty, but they don't have to be used for Christmas. Those are beautiful. Look at that. All right. And yet, there's more. There, right here is Ticket Essentials, Ticket and Stamps. Ooh. Look at these. Oh my gosh. Look at those. Oh, I can definitely see some mixed media coming with that. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 tickets. Oh, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is this? Repositional fabric tape assortment. Oh, look at that. So that is like some fabric washi tape. Gorgeous. And here are some more ticket and stamps, and these are in the blue. And like I said, yours might be a little bit different. Love those. And then here is a beautiful green tickets and stamps. If you do a lot of journaling, this is going to be perfect for you. So there's those. And wait, there's more. And then here is like some pretty brown for your journaling or your cards. Love it. But wait, once again, there's more. So you're going to get paper, and they're all going to be different. But here's a bunch of vintage artistry tranquility sentiment rub-ons. That's a mouthful, but gorgeous. Love that. And here are the papers that I got from 49 and Market. Look and see, they're all color coordinated, that they will all go together. Oh, very thick cardstock. Oh, love that one. Ooh, look at this. That is so pretty. Oh, I love these. And they're double-sided. Man, this box is chocked full. That looks like it's got a map on it. Love that. So pretty. Oh, there's some stamps. This is pretty. Gorgeous. Ooh, like that one. Look how pretty that is. So you've got plenty of paper. See, are those the same? They are. Good, because that way I can use one and still have one. Look at the back of that one. Gorgeous. This would match this. So pretty. There's a green. So guys, oh my goodness, you will not be disappointed if you get this box. And I know that Melanie said that there are just a few left. So what I will do is I will leave the link down below. Good grief, a lot of stuff in here. And if you would like, kind of let me know in the comments if you do get one, and maybe we can maybe do some crafting together. But oh my goodness, I'm telling you, this box is full. So thank you guys so very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.